So today I'm at Moores Valley Country Park and I've come to see a decoy site. Now this was set up to trick the enemy into bombing this countryside area rather than airfields such as Hurn and Ibsley. So let's go check it out. This is the bunker. As you can see, corrugated roofing. This is where they would have controlled it all from. And what they would have done, what they tended to do in bunkers like this, is set off flares, fires, lighting, all that kind of stuff to make it look from the air like there's something here, and in this case probably an airfield such as I said, Hurn or Ibsley. Okay, you can see this blast wall. And these days, it's right next to a golf course. So yeah, it's relatively small, but it gives you an idea of what would have been going on. So let's just look at this information panel again. Actually, let's just come here first. Get a view of the bunker. There he is. So here you go, it tells you a little bit more about it. Got that control room, generator beds, which is where we were at the back there. And then this is what they would have controlled. So you can see this would have been on the piece of heathland. There would have been all these kind of lightings, flares, red bars, all sorts of stuff. So yeah, just a real short video. Just wanted to show you, do one more loop. Notice the arrow there, calling it an air raid shelter. I was just chatting to one of the curators of this bunker, and he was saying that when they came in they had to do quite a few repairs, including getting rid of graffiti. I'll just show you some of those repairs now. So you can see they've strengthened the footings here, because otherwise the place was going to collapse. What he told me was, well, you can see it's degraded here. Let's just stick the light on. See, it's degraded there, so they've had to repair the concrete. And you can see where they've painted over and got rid of graffiti in certain aspects. For example, in the control room, you can see that white paint has been whitewashed. But it's just so unusual to see something in such good condition, but you can tell they've spent a long time taking care of it.